Going to Dubai and not catching a helicopter ride. Every place has like its top must-do things to do, and a helicopter ride over the entire city of Dubai is actually worth the price. It's such a view. In my recent trip to Dubai, we actually used services by Heli Dubai. It was just me and my sister. It will cost you 680 dirhams to get a ticket to this experience. We had to reach about 30 minutes before the slot that we were given. We were given the slot of 11:20 I guess or 12:20 in the morning. उससे आपको 30 minutes पहले आना है because they have a standard procedure that they go through. They calculate your weight and that determines where you're going to sit on the helicopter ride. There are 5 seats that need to be filled aside from one for the pilot. So there are about 6 seats inside a helicopter and 4 on the back and 1 for the pilot and 1 for the co-pilot person. Your weight is distributed according to the helicopter and according to the balancing and everything. So they ask you to come in before, they check your weight, and then they give you like a safety protocol video that goes on, and you know what to do in case of emergencies, what are things you should be knowing about the helicopter ride. And that was about it. That would take like 15 minutes, and they would help you with a gear, like emergency gear in case of any mishaps, but we put like something around your waist and you'll have to use it if something bad happens. And moreover, the helicopter ride is all over the ocean, so it is safe to say that we need like just the life jackets in case of something like that happening. The experience covers 4 major attractions that are shown to you by the helicopter and the pilot. These attractions would include the Palm Jumeirah and Burj Al Arab, and not to forget the World Islands and multiple Dubai beaches. Sadly, the ticket price does not include the costing of photographs and videos, but they do have professional videographers and photographers on the run because the slot keeps going one by one once it's started. So the professionalism is here. The photos and the videos that they take of you during the experience, which is not inside the helicopter but like outside while you're entering the helicopter, exiting the helicopter and everything. Those pictures do come like in a bundle, so there would be like 3 categories to packages. हमारे साथ ये हुआ कि क्योंकि मानसी का बर्थडे था, we got it for free. We got about 300 pictures on my WhatsApp for free. If I would have purchased the entire package, that would have been 350 dirhams. It was just the staff member who was so polite. Everybody was so polite. As soon as he knew that it was my sister's birthday, he offered to like give photos to us for free rather than charging us 350 dirhams, which is a lot. It is a lot for photographs, and if that person could just give it for free. He asked my sister to pick one photo and usko frame kara ke we brought it back home. The packages are definitely a little expensive. It's in all of Dubai. कहीं पे भी जाते हो तो those attraction like souvenirs and pictures, their prices like really hike up. But because they deliver to the quality, you want to take them but you can't because of the money. Fortunately for our helicopter ride, it was just going to be me, Mansi, and one more girl. We had about 2 seats that were empty. We all were placed at the corners where we could like kind of get like a private balcony view. It was just like कि हमारा एक अपना window and we just calmly looking around and we're enjoying the view. And they have like a headset they like make you put on so that you can speak to the pilot and like the pilot can give you a detailed tour of whatever's happening. We did not say a word in the entire 12-minute journey. The only person who said something was the pilot. The 3 of us were just soaking in all of that. It felt like a private tour even though we did not give that money. We gave money for the sharing one wherein we would share with other people, and the slots would go as in like you have to go 5 people. If 5 people are there, you go, but if they're not 5 people, then they just distributed because slot was anyway taken and they had to provide us with a service. The other people that were supposed to go, they had booked a private helicopter tour. So that was a family of 5 people and they all were going together. It was rather more freeing and like गिल्टी फील होता है जब आप कोने पे हो और आपका जो साइड वाला बंदा है वो देख नहीं सकता है. So I was happy that कि मुझे वो वाला guilt नहीं हुआ. It was amazing. Views I cannot even define it. It is an experience that you should be doing if you're going to Dubai and you have that kind of money to spend. This would make like the perfect place for a proposal or for an anniversary celebration or a, you know, just a surprise for your loved one. I think that would be the best time to use this service from Heli Dubai. If this video was useful, do not forget to give me a like and a subscribe if this is something you genuinely enjoy. I'll see you next time. Bye.